When we got here, there was a tree or some type of limb that we had to cut and remove every 4 feet across the entire roads. We lost roughly 90% of our timber here after Hurricane Laura went through. Total damage estimated at $22 million. It has been a very long recovery, roughly 20 months, but we're very glad to be back here and open up today. On the road, we've opened 10 brand new cabins, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, granite countertops, fireplaces on the outdoor porch, 4 TVs throughout it for the family, so after you enjoy a good day in the heat or in the cool here in our great state park, you have a place to go back and rest and relax.
We are so grateful for Lieutenant Governor Billy Nungesser and the work that he and his staff have done, and the staff here at the park and the state park system across the state. They put a lot of effort into this. They were passionate about wanting to rebuild it. Our office communicated with them frequently over the past year after Laura, and just trying to work with them and do anything we could to get this moving forward. And without them, we wouldn't be here today.
It's incredible what they've done here. I encourage everyone to come out and see the incredible work and how we're back up on our feet now. This is just another way for us to say, look, we're back on the road to recovery, another sort of sense of normalcy for us back here in Southwest Louisiana. Couldn't be more proud and more excited to call this place home.
And then we're going to honor those partners, those companies that go beyond the call of duty, planting trees, helping us with any of our projects. We couldn't do it with all those companies here that even before the storm stepped up big to help this state park stay open.
Lieutenant Governor Nungesser and his staff has done is unbelievable. And he said, not just here, but all across the state. He has a passion for parks. He has a passion for his job. And it's great that we in Southwest Louisiana get to see this park open back up.